2 points, Angelo. Maganda po so talaga ni Angelo. Nakakarami na eh. Cipriano, no good na kuha ni. Two points, Sardegna. 4-0. Miguel. Grabe, patay kayo. Oh, last touch by Cipriano. Two points. 4-2. No good by Mendoza. Same ball. Angelo, easy two. Two points by Miguel. 6-4. Two points by Sardegna. 8-4. Nako, nagmamadali ang Team Black Sheep para may lakad. Nawala. Tamayo to Miguel. Steal. Nagmamadali Fedilio to Borja. Wala. Nakakuha ni Cipriano. Pinasa kay Miguel. To Dagum. To Bate. Patay kayo diretso. Bate. Wala. Mendoza. Mendoza. Wala. Rebound by Pedilio. 10 seconds to shoot. Sardegna, wala. Foul muna daw, foul. Palabas na lang, last 5 minutes. Ha? Hindi, basta ikot-ikot na lang tayo. Wala nang championship. Pero kayo maglalaki yung pangatlo. Kasi nakadalawang sunod kayo. Nakashoot, 3, 11-4. Dagug, no good. 17. No good by Pedilio. Kaya lahat makakata. 3 points. Ay, 2 points lang. 2 points, sorry. 2 points by Mendoza. 13-4. Bate, step back. Bate, 2 points. 13-6. Nice rebound by Pedilio. 3 minutes 38 seconds. Steal by Bate. Bate. Pull up is good. 13-8. Gumaganda na ang pulso ni Bate. Mendoza, nice pass to Angelo pero may foul. Angelo to Mendoza. Mendoza, wala. Rebound by Dagum. Dagum nagmamadali. Dago, wala. Wala pa rin. Nakadali si Bora. Sakto. Angelo, 2 points. 15-8. Time remaining 2 minutes 40 seconds. Dagu, quick 2. 15-10. Paalala ko lang dahil may bago. Wala tayong first ball. Mendoza, nice pass to Cerdeña, wala. Cerdeña again, wala pa rin. Rebound by Cipriano to Bay. Blanca, same ball. Same ball. Miguel, to Bay. Bay, wala. To Borja. Last 2 minutes. Mendoza, nawala ang bola. Mendoza, wala pa rin. Mendoza, wala pa rin. Tamayo. Tamayo, no good. Nakuha ni Angelo. Angelo, ang ganda ng pasa. 2 points, Pedilio. 17-10. Miguel, sakto, ganda. Sayang, hindi na finish ni Cipriano. Pau, Miguel, same ball. 1 minute remaining. Pedilio, quick 2. 19-10. Bay to Miguel. No good. Nakuha ni Angelo. Last 44 seconds. Angelo, quick. Grabe. 21-10. Last 32 seconds. Three. 21-13. 25 seconds. 18 seconds. Mendoza, 2 points. Last 12 seconds. 5.8 seconds. 5.8 seconds. Same pa rin, ha? 5.8 seconds. Okay, two free throws. Labas lang. 1.6 seconds. 1.6 seconds. 1.6. And okay. Sino na nakakuha ng bola? Hindi ko na anuhan eh. Sila? Dito. Ang bola dito, ha? Ay, hindi. Dito. Score 23-16. Lamang ng 7 ha, ang Team Black Sheep. Cerdeña to Pedilio. 12 seconds. 8 seconds. 2 points Cerdeña. No good by Dagu. Okay, foul daw, foul. Score 16-25. 16-27. Steal by Miguel. Sakto. Kala ko. Pasa na. Oy! Napababa. Nawala ang bola siguro. Rebound by Dagum. Dagum, 2 points. 18-27. Two points. 18-29. Six minutes, 15 seconds. Last 6 minutes. Loose ball. Miguel, wala. Two points. Mukhang di pagod talaga yun, no? Okay, foul daw, foul. Score 18-31. 13 ang kalamangan. Tamayo. Bank shot is good. 20-31. Tamayo inbound. Pinasa kay Miguel. No good. Rebound by Sardinia. Pedilio malakas. Pero si Sardinia wala. Nakuha ni. Nice rebound by Dagum. Ingat lang po tayo. Babe. Bumomba Babe. 2 points. 22-31. Wala, hindi mang nag-ano si Shan eh. Hindi tumawag si Shan. Dapat yun doon tatawag, mas mahirap na pag lahat. 4 minutes, 17 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. Rebound by Tamayo. Ang ganda, Blanca. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Wala. Rebound by Sardinia. Tushar. To Mendoza. Mendoza, no good. Nice hustle by Big 2 points. 24-31. Mukhang umahabol na ang team Joiners. Twelve seconds to shoot. Okay, foul ba? Foul? Okay, same ball. Ang ganda nun na, ang ganda nung execution na yun. Babe, wala. Rebound by Mendoza. Ibabato sana, kaso nag-aayos. 2 minutes, 45 seconds. Sardinia, 2 points. Nice ka. 24-35. Fidelio, 2 points. 24-37. To Dagu, to Miguel. Miguel, wala. Rebound by Angelo. 2 minutes, 8 seconds. Wala. Wala. Rebound by Cipriano. One minute, 50 seconds. 8 to shoot. 26-37. Cervella, 2 points. One minute, 35 seconds. Dagu, 2 points. 28-39, 1 minute, 20 seconds. One minute, 6 seconds, 4 to shoot. 2 seconds. Munti ka na. 54 seconds. .4 seconds. 14 to shoot. Mendoza, no good. Angelo, wala. Last 38 seconds. Last 24 seconds. Fourteen seconds. 5 seconds. Okay. Diretso kayo. Undraft, Sean. Diretso yung buong team ni Sean, versus team undrafted. Jel, pwesto na. Nalalakas ng braso ng mga yan.